My dudong don't like banana, so this is what he's doing now. So why are you covering yourself in there, Han?
I don't like bananas. I don't want to see a banana. I don't want to smell a banana. I want to be safe from bananas. I am safe from bananas here. This is the banana safe zone. That's what I'm doing.
Alright. Okay. Hello there! So today, what's on my fridge to feed my family? Hang on. Show you guys. Hang on. Ta-da! It's banana blossom. Shh! Dudong don't like banana. So, quiet. We're all surprised. Is he gonna eat
bananas.
it? See? He hates banana. We'll see later. So, let's go. Let's cook this. Dali!
Am I gonna live?
Give me some justice. This is for my community. My tribe.
Give you some justice?
Yeah. For my tribe. First, ginataang coconut milk with banana blossom with
Banana? Banana?
Banana.
No. I don't know if I want to try this.
Banana.
I hate banana.
You hate banana?
Banana.
Say ah. Ah.
Ah.
There you go. Banana with coconut milk.
Doesn't taste like banana.
Really?
Mm.
You like it? Give me some justice. Justice. Are you dead?
Nope.
There's
Good.
3.
I like it.
You like it?
I could eat that.
You can eat that?
I could eat that.
You pour your
Just
dinner?
don't tell me it's banana next time.
Okay. Don't tell if it's banana. And the kinilaw.
What is that?
Same thing. The difference, this one is vinegar, that one is coconut milk.
Banana?
Banana
I
with
don't like
vinegar.
banana.
With vinegar.
Banana.
Say ah!
Banana.
Look.
Woo!
Spicy.
Some little, that's a pretty spicy banana. But I like it.
You
I
like
could eat
it
that
too?
one.
Okay. The crunchy, again,
I don't like banana.
banana with the bonus, the petal.
Is that banana too?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like banana.
Oh, because it's crunchy. Okay,
Banana's soft.
it's crunchy. Yeah, you should eat this. Okay, here.
Oh, spicy. Oh.
How is it?
Ooh.
Spicy?
I like it, but where'd all that spice come from? Wow.
You like it? So which one do you like?
No, I like all three.
Coconut milk?
All three are great, depending on my mood. But the first one, number one,
The coconut milk.
and then it's a dead tie between the other two.
This
The crispy or the
kinilaw.
yeah.
Oh, the kinilaw and the crispy, the banana flour is Thai.
Yeah.
The
That's
champion.
definitely number one.
The champion and number 1 is the coconut milk.
Yeah.
Ginataan. Are you going to eat all that from now on? Banana?
Ah.
Oh.
You're supposed to give me some. I said you're supposed to feed me.
Oh, okay, again. I did not feel my community. So the secret, guys, seriously, told you, put some spice. Put some spice. It will burn his taste bud. So there, he cannot taste anything. He loves it. So that's all for now, cause we're going to eat our dinner, and he's going to eat this. Are you gonna share, or are we going to share
Share what?
this for dinner? Or
but I want my little salad too.
okay, so bye guys, see you next time, and see you later, Walligator. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog, and thanks. Bye bye. Subscribe. He likes it. I did not fail my community. Just remember, your kitchen, your rule. Right, Han? Han, say something.
Something.
Are you okay? Okay.
I'm just doing what the ruler told me to do. You told me to say something, I said something.
Right. Oh. A few years later. It's still doing this. Oh! While you're watching your telenovela. Oh! Alejandro! No! Your the drama, the series that you're watching, like the good girl. Oh no! No! You guys, in someone in teenager, they were like going to, instead grabbing a petals, a flower to your neighbor, just do this and he loves me.
He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me.
Oh no, he loves me not. Oh. Finally, it's done. Yeah.